What is going on YouTube? Today I have a unboxing of some candy. We're gonna do a snack review with my kids. This is Bryson and that's there you go. He a little shy, so just bear with it. He's 4, he's 1. So we're gonna hop right into this. Now this right here is the Korea snacks. Alright, what's in here? This is a snack crate, by the way. So we got some little booklets, some little information about what type of candy is in here. And let's see, we're gonna go through this. We ain't gonna go through, we're just gonna go ahead and hop right into it. Got some little stickers and everything inside the box too. Calm down. Got some more stickers right here. So I like how it's like nice and wrapped up, got the little, whatever that is, but we're gonna go ahead and take that out just like that. Sit it on the camera, toss that over there. Got some air bubbles and all of that stuff. Toss that over there. So we got some, it look like cookies and cream. It's called white chocolate. It's called Pepero. I can't pronounce that. Pepero, I guess that's what it's called. We got some, I don't know, it's written in Korean. There's some strawberries on it. You can see that, there's some strawberries on it. We got some Choco Boy. It's like some chocolate biscuits, it say. There it is right there, chocolate biscuits. See that? We got a soft cupcake. It's called custard soft cupcake. He having a field day with it. Then we got a choco pie. These names, I don't know how did they get these names. Then we got some spicy noodles right here. Now we'll say this for another challenge right here. Then we got, I don't know what this is, but it got apples on it. It's similar to what the strawberry thing is. I'm guessing it's like some type of bar. Hey, calm down, calm down. I don't know what this is. It's written in Korean, so I feel like some cookies or something though. Then you got some Vienna coffee. These are coffee, I guess like coffee biscuits or something like that, like cookies. These are the same thing. I guess they're like white chocolate in there. That's just regular, I guess. And I don't know what in the world this is. It looks like a Rice Krispie treat almost, but it's not. And I guess some gum, some sort of gum is written in Korea as well. It says grape. Yeah, you want to open that up? Come on. Alright. I never had it either. Hopefully it's good. No mess is in there, so. Oh, it's kind of melted. Ah, yeah. See, it's melted. We still gonna eat. It's like cookies. Let's see. Hey, Bryce.
The bottom's a little important.
Hopefully it's not nasty. Oh, it's good. It's real good. It tastes like them cookies that you buy with the chocolate at the bottom, like those butter cookies. It's good. Got some chocolate on my finger. He's just gonna play with it because he don't really want it. I'm gonna open this up. This is some like cookies and cream. It says chocolate and biscuit. So let's see. It's all kind of melted. We're just gonna take a little piece of it. They like long straws, as you can see on the box.
Whoa.
I'm gonna give you a piece of this. Yeah, take that piece, because I don't know if you're gonna like it with the stuff. It tastes like American stuff, like a regular cookies and cream bar or something. We're gonna open this weird looking thing up now. I don't know what it is. So let me organize this. All the stuff that we ate, we're gonna sit right there. Just push that over there.
I'm not gonna eat all of this.
It don't even have a smell. Like it's real. It don't even have a taste. It's just like, think you gonna taste it?
Whoa.
Give you a little piece too.
It tastes like a watch.
I don't have a taste, yeah. It's weird. Now we're gonna open the custard soft cupcake. This plastic that they got it in is kind of tough. And my hand's kind of sticky, so it's kind of breaking. You got here. You got it? He letting it all drop on the floor. Here, eat this piece. Okay, he's just gonna try to grab it.
I'll just sit this on the box.
Okay, that tastes like a Twinkie without the little middle filling part of it. It's good though. It's got something in the middle. I ain't gonna eat that in the middle. It's egg. Nah, I ain't gonna mess with that then. We ain't gonna do that. That's a no-no. Egg in a cupcake? No, we'll pass on that. Okay. So this, I don't know what this is. Open it up so y'all can see this. It's got like a little design on it. Some sort of design. It smells like a banana or something. Like something with banana. Hey, Brycey. Yeah, I gave you a tiny piece.
I can get this piece if you want.
It's alright, I guess. It got something in the middle too. I think that's like the banana. Well, vanilla, yeah, because it says white something in vanilla. It's alright. I'll open this one up. It's like little coffee biscuits. Tastes exactly the same. Got a little coffee taste to it. You can take a piece. Alright, them the same thing, so we're gonna set them over to the side. Along with that, I'm gonna open whatever this is up. I don't know what this is.
Dad.
What?
No, what is it?
I don't know what it is either. It look kind of crazy. See? It's like all crunched up and stuff.
It's like a round thing was crunched.
It's like a cracker or a biscuit tea thing. I don't know.
Biscuit cracker?
It's actually pretty good. Tastes like some Ritz crackers. Here. You want one, Bryson?
Here you go.
There you go. It's kind of sweet, then it's kind of salty. It's good. And we're gonna eat choco pie.
Choco pie?
Well, you trying to get up? Sit down. We ain't done yet. We almost done. I ain't too fond of this because I know it's got that marshmallow in the middle. I'm not a marshmallow fan like that.
I don't like marshmallow myself.
Yeah, tastes like a moon pie almost. I'm not a fan of it.
I don't like marshmallows.
Made a mess over here. This is alright. And we're gonna open this strawberry. I don't know what it says. But hopefully it's good. So it smells like strawberry. It's like it's got some strawberry tart stuff on it. You want to taste it first?
It was good.
Let's see if he like it. It's good.
It's like jelly.
It's real flaky like a biscuit. It's good. Alright, we're gonna open up the apple. Well, I ain't really gonna open up the apple one. It's the same thing as that basically. So, you know what it is. It's just got the apple strip on it. We're gonna see what this is. I'm guessing it's some sort of gum or something like that. You trying to stand
I
up?
know what gum it is. Maybe it's flat.
Let's see how we open this here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be flat.
So we're gonna go ahead and after 50 million years of trying to open it, you're gonna fall.
I can't eat this since I don't like like spicy stuff.
Okay, it's like a now later or something like that. Now and later, have you want to pronounce it. Oh no, it's gum.
Why? It's a little sour.
It don't have a gum texture though. It feels like
Here, Mom.
he can't eat that. That's gonna. So yeah, it's gum, but it's real. It's sour. Tastes like grape, but it's like gummy. Not gummy, but it tastes like gum. It feels like gum after a while, but it gets stuck in your teeth. It feels like a chewy like him. I don't think it's gum. It's good though. So I think I got another one of these boxes coming, so I will be doing another unboxing of that. So hope you liked the video. Tell them goodbye.
Goodbye.
I will see you in the next.